sandwiches will have meat in.
Oh, there's...
Nah, fuck that. That's worse than having nothing.
Harry, hold on, Haribo.
Well,
Fucking hell, condoms and shit.
condom, baby.
They got burgers. Hold on.
Really? The vegetarian
What's
one.
that? A bop? Do you fancy a bop?
No,
I think that's €2.30 for a bop.
No, they've all got meat in, babe.
No, I don't think that's got meat in. That hasn't got meat in. A bop for €2.
Oh, go on then, get me one.
I think it's €2.
If it's more than €2, there's no one home.
What do you mean?
Let's get a muffin.
Yeah, go on then. What's that? Number 23. Okay. 23. Alright. Let's put the change in then. That's what I got. Get it in there.
I'm not really sure.
Yeah, not the pound coins.
How much does it cost?
€2.
Okay, we've got
That's €1.
€1.
Put that in there.
Did it go in?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
That went in. €1. Credito, mignor. 20 euro.
And 20.
20 euro. Euro. We're getting there. There we go. And the last one, babies. Oh, no, that was 10. There you go. Put that last one in. There's a 10 cent there. No, that's a pound. 10 cent. There we go.
And it's 23.
23. 23. Come on, baby.
Gonna be really sad.
Buscando el producto. Buscando el producto. You know, come on. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something.
It is.
It's doing something.
But it's gonna be fucking tiny.
Yeah, take your time. Espera. 15 seconds. Oh, it's heating up. Calentando means heating up. Espera means wait. Don't it, baby.
Oh, it's only 4 seconds now.
Yep, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Boom. Go on then, grab it. What the fuck? Yeah, go and grab it.
I don't get it, bro.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Get in there.
Do you want half, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Machines. Yeah.